feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no. Go, 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 go. Feel low, you can still go. Go, feel slow, you can still go. Go, there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer no, no, I still go.
So guys, this is it guys, okay? Like, this is how it look like now. I'll just remove it. This is it, okay? I love putting paper because I don't want it very dirty if I put something. And I'll be using my baking soda. Let me show you guys. This is my baking soda, okay? Hot water, baking soda, and lemon, okay? And I'll
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
So this is it guys, you see that? Very, very clean, okay? And I'll put this one aside and wash this little ones. This is it guys, you see the way, oh my god, you see how it's sparkling and shiny. Okay, this is it, like, yeah, this is life.
Make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Look at that guys,
Today's gonna be a good
look at that. Use baking soda and lemon and thank me later. So let's start arranging guys. Guys, look at that. Arranging 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. So guys, this is the finished look right now. I'll finish, you know, arranging everything. All I need to throw away, I've thrown them away. And this is it, this particular one I have in here, spinach and chicken I'll be using today. So this is it guys.